Shocking Facebook marketing facts to consider. It is no secret that Facebook is an amazing marketing platform for every type of business, no matter how big or small a business is, or how ambitious a business goal a particular business might be aiming for. Facebook is a platform with a set of marketing features that, by the very social nature of its platform, can play a bit against what most people know about online marketing. Allow us to introduce you to some shocking Facebook marketing facts that you should consider when creating successful marketing campaigns on Facebook. There are more than 2 million active advertisers on Facebook. Facebook is one of the biggest movers in the display advertising industry, and the number of active advertisers in the platform speaks volumes about that fact. 2 million advertisers on a single platform means that competition is hard, but it also means that better checks are put upon advertisers, which is good for Facebook users. 66% of Facebook's ad revenue comes from mobile. Mobile users comprise the largest portion of people reacting to display advertising on Facebook. So have this in mind the next time you design your new advertising campaigns. Brands that interact more with customers get 3.5 times more business. Businesses that care about interacting with their customers and actually put in the effort to do so get more business. Brands that interact with user posts and questions on at least a 65% basis get 3.5 times more business than businesses that don't. Facebook increases visibility of the last 50 pages that a user interacts with. Facebook pays a good deal of attention to the content that it feeds its users, so it increases the visibility of the last 50 pages that any given user interacts with. Leverage this to get free promotional power by posting constantly and encouraging your fans to interact with your pages. 35% of fan pages click on like only to enter a sweepstakes. Facebook pages with tons of fans get a good chunk of them by promoting contests and sweepstakes and asking people to like the page in order to enter the contests to get a chance to win. If you promote a good contest or sweepstakes from time to time, you can increase your fan page and interactions count. 78% of people like a brand's Facebook page only if they have used said brand before liking it. The vast majority of people will like the fan page of a brand or product to signal that they approve of the brand, and they have to use and like said brand or product for that to be true. Find ways to allow people to use your products or to interact with your brand, such as promoting freebies. Canada and the USA have the largest number of active Facebook users around the world. Canada has the largest concentration of active Facebook users, followed by the United States. So keep that in mind the next time you are planning where to target your audience.